get it in out of the wind here. There we go. That's right. Get it in out of the wind. Go down below here. It's nice and cozy. Oh, and there's the Admiral down there. She's cooking up a storm. Look at there. Are we weathering the storm okay, Mrs. Admiral?
Absolutely. Not a problem.
All righty then. Oh, might as well give you the tour. Housekeeping hadn't come this morning. Yeah, they have come. How about that? This is our master bedroom. And we got a head down here with a full shower. She got a walk-in closet over here. There's another 2 staterooms on each side there. And there's another head with a shower over there. All right, there you have it, and there you are. Till next time, bye.